Hello, and let's start from the main topic of this video, the fifth principle of Agile Manifesto that sounds like this. Build project around motivated individuals, give them environments and support they need, and trust them to get the job done. From my point of view, it has two main perspectives, day-to-day work and hiring. In both cases, there should be gathered efforts of you and human resources people. In daily work, you should know what motivates and support people and create the environment for that. While hiring, you need to find motivated people with a growth mindset. Having such a mindset is even more important than having a huge agile experience. And for cases when business is ready for hiring juniors and think about maybe not so professionals, but like very cool juniors, that's even more important than technical skill set. But usually, motivated juniors with a real growth mindset don't have problems with any technical skills. They just need some time to learn, and you and your team should plan for it. Speaking about day-to-day work, you need to build your processes in such a way that they will be supporting people and help them maintain their motivation. Avoid bureaucracy, directiveness, and be sure that intrinsic motivation can shine in people. Spend some time to understand what are the top motivators of your teammates and use them. I personally recommend Management 3.0. It's a set of practices, and one of them is called Moving Motivators, but you can choose whatever you prefer. And of course, an important thing to understand is that different people in your team may need different types of motivation, different kinds of environment and support, even at the same time. Important part of inner motivation for all people is actually trust. That's why the principle is ended with the phrase, trust them to get the job done. I understand it may be hard for command and control kind of managers or projects, but it's very important, so try to understand how it will work. More details about how to build trust in team and how to build trust with your stakeholders and keep everyone productive will be covered in upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notifications. And for now, we are done with the fifth principle of Agile Manifesto. My name is Nick Filonchik, and see you in other videos.